Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check who is using your Wi-Fi. So guys, at first you need to go to your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and search who steals my Wi-Fi. Tap on the first one and you have to install this app. And guys, in this app you can see all the devices that are connected to your Wi-Fi network. After installing, open this app. Tap on permission required. Now tap on see who is using my Wi-Fi. And guys, this will show you all the devices currently connected to your network very easily. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.